We just did the first test on the acceleration and it was awesome. Now we're going to handling. So guys, I'm in the Taycan Turbo S. At this point, I'm so excited. It's what experience, man! What experience!
Okay, gentlemen. So you can just follow my lead. I'm going to slowly drive out of the pit lane now.
Getting out of the pit lane in Sepang and driving a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful Taycan. Let me take out the mask here. Whew. It's a hot day in
So let's
Sepang.
keep about 5 cars length gap between each other. Yeah, so we have enough safety area for braking between us.
Okay, we're going to keep 5-car lane, 5-car distance between us. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's about it.
Alright, so we're approaching the front straight of Sepang Circuit, coming on the final corner here. At
Brakes.
15, look on the inside left of the turn, and you'll see an exit cone on your far right. So accelerating down the front straight.
So this is the fun part. This is the straights. We hit it like we stole it, and then once you come to the braking point,
Okay,
we
you'll be
brake.
coming up to some braking markers. You'll see a 200 braking marker board on your left. There'll be double cones on your left. That's your point of braking.
Brake at 200
I'm going to
marker.
brake really hard, slow down quite a lot for turn 1. Very late apex.
Late apex.
Look for apex cones on the inner side.
Yep, I see it.
Turn 2, apex cone on the inner left side.
Go for the cones.
Slowly exit turn 2, downhill, accelerate down to turn 3.
Oh yes.
Apex cone on your right hand side of turn 3. And gradually exit to the left out of turn 3. Coming to turn 4. Hard on the brakes, 150 marker board. Exit turn 4, uphill, move right over to your right hand side of the track. Moving down to turn 5 and 6, try and maintain a good speed so you can feel the grip of the car. Yeah.
Holy cow.
All the way through 5 and 6. Braking for turn 7, 50 meter board, double cones, brake, 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 brake,
Brake, brake, brake, brake.
Release, turn in, 8. Exit. Backs again for turn 8. Accelerate out of turn 8.
Whatever I said about Taycan, I'm very sorry.
Turn 9, very slow left-hander. Braking hard for turn 9, slow right down. Very sharp turn left. Look for apex cone. Slowly accelerate, exit uphill. Braking turn 11.
Driving a left-hand drive, I tend to drive
Okay,
not
you want to slow
as
right
centered
down,
as I wanted
and
to.
we are going straight into the pits.
Pit. Come to pit. Awesome, awesome. Astico. You know what? They made the Taycan such a driver's car. I'm sorry for whatever I've said. The Taycan is just beautiful on the track. Just beautiful. So capable. Amazing, guys. Amazing.
Okay, stop your vehicle. Make sure you put it into P mode, park mode, and swap vehicle.
Swap vehicles. So now we are in the turbo, I believe. So let's see what this puppy can do. I am so excited.
Okay, gentlemen, leading out.
Put on my D. And
Feel
here we
free
go.
to change your drive mode on this lap up. From normal, you can go to Sport. Halfway through, change to Sport Plus.
Okay, I'm on Sport now. Let's see how this does. I'm in the back, so I'll have more fun. What to worry about is not hitting the car in front. Other than that,
Alright, coming out to the front straight, Sepang circuit. Accelerate.
let them go, and I'm going to accelerate. Floor it, baby!
Well, we're going a lot faster now, so you remember you have to brake a lot harder at the end of the straight.
200.
Board, braking marker, remember.
Brake hard.
Brake hard, brake hard, brake hard. Slow right down. Turn 1, lane apex. Try keep a slightly bigger gap from each other.
Okay, I'm going to give a gap to Thomas in front there, so I can do this.
Pushing turn 4, 150 meter board. Brake, 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 brake. Braking marker.
Brake, 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 brake. Not very fast anyway.
Exit turn 4, move right over to the right hand side.
Thomas, it's a left-hand drive,
Turn 5
Thomas.
and 6, try and maintain a reasonably good speed through here, so you can
Okay.
feel the grip, side grip of the car.
It's a bit weird, guys, driving left-hand drive car in a track, because you are trying to keep to the apex and you forget where the car center
Braking
is.
marker coming up, 50 meters for turn 7 and 8.
50
Brake
marker.
release, apex, exit, apex turn 8.
Yeah!
Slow right down for turn 9. Slow left-hander uphill.
Hey, Thomas, you're a bit too close to me, man.
Accelerate out.
Oh, I missed there. My bad. I drifted on a
Alright,
Taycan.
start slowing down here. Slow right down and head back to the pits.
Once in a lifetime opportunity, guys. If you have the chance, you know what? Go and do a Porsche driving experience on a track. It's something else. So epic. So epic. Thank you, God. Just amazing. Woo! Give me more! I want a Taycan. Do I need a Taycan? I need a Taycan. Do I need a Taycan? So, the Turbo S, I believe, is 4-wheel drive and its Turbo is rear-wheel drive. Is that it? I'm not sure. I need to find out. But that feels much more planted than this. This one, there were some points I was actually drifting. So, yeah, a lot of power. It's a great car, man. It's a great car. 2, 3, 4. Yes! Awesome.